Chapter 7. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Pronouns. Nga, ke, ko, mo, and di le chala do koe che. Chala da thandori de le di le che. Dine nganzo konzo le jura. Konza ma kare pronouns res. Nouns la na nganzo hakura. Main si ba. The pronouns la zamba mingi tsabdu chade ra. Pecheshina I la na nge da chita mi so mi mala che I la chura. You la na keran ki le la ya mi mala che keran ki le che. Ra. So main si ki tsabdu chade ra. Hone la pronouns le che. Then read these sentences. Sirubinzo lo shows. Tadinal ta wana nganzo ikare dida tiyo ikyoji samtache. I am Aditya. I am in class 1. Are you in class 1 too? Rati has a doll. She likes the doll. Rohit has a cat. He also has a cat. Has a doll. The rabbit is eating a carrot. It is hungry. The children are blowing bubbles. They are happy. That is what tadu kare I am Aditya ra nga Aditya yin la ra. Lazama I la marta che I am in class 1. Nga zen tangbona yes. Are you in class 1 too? Kiraya ani zen tangbona yebe la cho che. Rati has a doll. Rati la simsechi pomo simsechi ja doll. Tidijures. Dine she likes the doll. Moran the doll la gauchi gres. Rohit has a cat. Rohit la and shimi shures. He also has a doll. Koraya and a doll shures. The rabbit is eating a carrot. Ribungi and labuse la serji sadshas sashimbarishas. It is hungry. It the sula kore labula koe meche. Ribung la ko ratundori la it kochura. It is hungry. Koto shas. The children are blowing bubbles. Bubbles bubbles tanda blowing lana bubble in pugyad la kora. Ani bubbles lana tanda so yitsin so ne matue boaro jura de la bubbles. They are happy. Konzo kibuyores. Sometimes we do not repeat the naming words. Some las nganzo en kyadu pijichi mares ra. Repeat lana kyadu. Kare chima lana the naming words. Ani mintash minsi ra minsi so ke kyadu lay martas ra pijichi mares. We use other words in place of them. Nganzo ki ani chishimba pijichi res di tsabla in place of them nan dinzo ki tsabla. Ra them la de tanta naming words la korwa. Konzo ki tsabla chishimba pijichi res. All the words in color are used in place of the naming words. And color na yube, chunda na mao na yube, chunda na yube, ditsi din samolo, nganzo piju chires. Sugi tsabla chila na in place of ra, sugi tsabla chila. In place of la, tsi sumka nyam tu ra tsabla. In place of the naming words, means ye tsabla nganzo piju chires. Ra, he, I, you, she, they, it. Then we use I for myself. Nganzo ki khari piju chila na, nganzo piju chires. Karichilana I for myself. Susurangla I pichires. Ne you for the person we are talking to. Ngaran sugi sula keji shi medela you pichires ra kansadala. She for a girl. I je dene pakabdu doina plural do. We for ourselves. Nganzo changma la nganzo susu chudi weki mi mangbo jewe na we pichiris. We is the plural of I. We the sugi mangzirala na I res. Nganzo plural jansarwa. The next the plural of you is also you. Ani ya you di mangzi di you ranja res. Pecheshan mi mangbo jela kishi na you len changma ko chwa. She for girl. She led promotion pichi. Therefore, more than one person, place, thing, fruits or vegetables. Vegetable. There is the plural of she, he, it, and it. So de le ding azo mangbu sam tang ra ngazo nam yu khare khwa ling ora de la na mi mangbu kha jo chle yo na de la khwa che di me wa che de for more than one person ra de le de khadi veji chila na ani mi chi le ma wa da ani chala ina re saja ina chi le ma ki shi na anzo ge di chi res de bi shi res pe che na ce da khasa shin do da ce da de ra ande na shi gi chala re khanju ma jo ra khare yo ani ni le ma chi le ma yo na anzo de bi shi res there is a plural of she he and it ani de su gi plural cha de na ma zi she he it ra de khon ha ma manzi je wa na khonzo la ji phore bo chi shi che dine he for a boy ra he dia ani pushi la pushi che eat for a place a thing or an animal a fruit and for vegetable eat led saja ta chala ta thundro ta dine shin do ta chi sorry vegetable tseri ta dine chala khari rang la din la khari yo ba de samal la eat pushi cho res ra so khonzo sum ga plural de de che dine circle the correct words in these sentences ra that the exercise no ashira madro chen di video de rimbu chana gela ko nyop to chairwa so khachere an exercise de susu che thapchi chen ra circle the correct words in these sentences khachore ye sirup din zo na la and gorda gyer shows kharila chi dig digela ra pechishina thangbod la Rita is my friend he or she it is very clever Rita la di ni thongmores ni thokbores ra thongmores so Rita la de lamsa ha go ro phumoj mi resha so she lan le ba ra is the she la ma to na or Rita la de phu mi da phumo mi ma so i khoda ma to ina so ko mi ji ba ha ko do so che da he de she khan ru chi na at least it le de ya ra de ran shi dinala diwa de la go ta ge chi dinashin exercise new di replace the words in color with he she it we or they and complete or write the sentences dinne hare chik hare chunda na yet chewe din samalo ani replace she shows replace ana je shows chik shin ba nyap tra kare je gore with he yana she yana it yana we yana they konzo khanron je remba ji kiragi chunda na yet chi din zonyam dula je lo shows dinne complete or write the sentences and sirup din zo cha sang chayro di any cha sang chi shows pecheshana Farah was not well ra Farah di deo mindos Farah na mi pui bache Farah went to the doctor Farah called to the doctor to rest ta Farah chila sa lagon lago mero che ta khala re Farah pui na he went to ra dina he piche dina shi ge ta ma thiyo ina Farah was okay Farah pumur da gonda Farah was not well mona deo mindos and she went to the doctor this sama kyarjon sus kyato che sama di khonzo ma uthi ba siru de masmi dis yusha ra di ani Farah sabla she went to the doctor chibijiga grandfather has a big car the car la umarwa car dikhare chalang puchwa so it is very old dinashi mitij the next exercise somebody complete the sentences with I you we he she it or they ta khonzo khanron jine Siru so conscious Rachasang. Pecheshan Thambodla I am Sunita and I study in National Primary School. Ra Korda di Marda Ekasa Tiki Pardon Kansa Nidoa. Nga and Sunita yi nga ani National Primary la Mangshi Sindra Mangshi Chura. Marim yi laptala Kasa di Gekab Mari lap Gekab ki Gekada Chidang ki nga so Shungi la Nidwa. Shungi ani Marin laptaj na la yi jangyes. Dinashigi Amina and I went to the zoo rangan Amida dangani cheze hanjo is so de la karlembar there's so many crocodiles mini ro chilama ina khajere chigan susu chudina we saw many crocodiles ra manju cheze ma boton so dinashi de la tach ra mi prana khasa mi country to mini sumdo yana susu chudo mi shimba chudo dilatani then someone catch Shivadi complete this paragraph with I we he she or it ta honzo kanu ji gyang shos ya paragraph la na chimba shi rang zo ye jiga zomi da de na la chimba chamba ma mo ra de la paragraph le ra paragraph de khari so sha gyore sirup din so sha gyora sentences de so ra sentences din so khari so sha gyore words de so words din khari so sha gyore letters ra dinashi tanye basha so khare denzo conscious this is Ritu ra Ritu res she is my sister so Ritu tangi gan do sai ba khumorwa so she is my sister mongi gi pingya humores and the dash is 10 years old ya khacher she is 10 years old mo kol she gora Ritu kol she de ra but dash am la da so I am only 5 두신 수수 삼단계 단계 가래 칼리칼리로 고알에 탑치치니 exercise 좀 제 탑치치지라 안 티어 거래요네 그렇게 하지라